If every time that you go live, it feels like you're starting from zero again, like no viewers, no familiar names, or no momentum, this is the real reason why. A lot of creators go live, they end the live, and then the next time they go live, it's the same thing all over again. No carryover, no growth, no progress. And it starts to feel like, what's the point if I'm just starting over every single time? Now, I've seen this happen with so many live creators. They're consistent, they show up, they put in the effort, but their lives just don't build on top of each other. Each one feels very separate, disconnected. So instead of growing, they're just repeating themselves over and over with no movement forward. Growth doesn't happen when your lives are disconnected. Growth is going to happen when your lives actually start stacking and building on top of each other. So let me show you how to fix this. Most creators treat every live like it's brand new, but your live should feel like a series. Each one should connect to the next one. And you can say things like, well, last time we talked about this. In the next live, I'm going to show you this, right? Now your content feels connected. And when content feels connected, people are going to come back. Now here's what keeps the connection going. You can't assume that people will remember you. You have to tell them. At the end of your live, say, I'm going live again on this day and at this time. Now you're planting the next moment. Now your live doesn't just end, it's going to continue on to the next show. Now, here's where the shift really happens. When someone comes back, acknowledge them, say their name, let them know that you remember them. Now it feels different. Now it's going to feel like a place they actually belong. And people return to places where they feel recognized. Now, this last one is what builds real momentum. If your lives feel random, they won't build. But when your lives are focused on helping people and they solve a specific problem, people are going to keep coming back for that solution. So now your live becomes something people actually rely on, not just watch. So if your lives feel like you're starting over every single time, here's what's really happening. Your lives aren't connected. People don't know when to come back, and there's no system building momentum. The good news is that you don't need more effort. You just need a better flow. Once your live starts connecting, your growth will start compounding. If you're ready to stop starting over every time you go live and you want to actually build momentum, get more viewers, and grow your audience, I created something for you. It's called the Get More Viewers Challenge. It's a 5-day live training where I show you exactly what to do to bring more people into your live shows. You're going to get simple, real steps that you can start using right away. And it's a limited time offer. So if you're serious about growing your live audience, make sure to check it out. The link is in the description below. All right, friend, thank you so much for your support and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.